What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mom. Today we're going to be changing the battery in a Nissan Smart Key. This Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and I'll also be using a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this button on the back, and that'll allow the key to slide out like that. Now, if we hold it with the buttons facing down and we look on the bottom where we just removed that key from, just under that, there's going to be these two notches right here and right here. What we want to do is put our small flathead screwdriver in that notch and then just twist it a little bit just to pop it apart. So I just put it in there and twisted it like that, and it popped it apart just a little bit. Now that's going to allow me to get the screwdriver in there and just carefully kind of run it around the edge like this. And just go slow and be careful so you don't accidentally hit your hand with it. But once you work it around far enough, it'll come apart like this. And if we look in the back half, we see our battery here. You can use your screwdriver to get underneath the battery and lift it out of there. We'll grab our new one, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down. Plus side down like that. So you have that installed, you can go ahead and snap the two halves back together. Like that. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.